My name is Mr. Kankunga Keegan. I'm a lecturer in HERR, or simply heavy equipment. Obviously, looking at the training equipment that we've had of late, there's a difference in the sense that previously the type of training that we used to have was that the equipment was almost obsolete. Now, with the training that we are conducting, with respect to Volvo inclination, is that this looks more on the latest. There's an improvement, actually. Obviously, the training has helped me a lot in the sense that the knowledge that I had then compared with the knowledge that I have now with respect to the latest equipment, obviously I've gained a lot and it has helped me in my teaching of students. Without taking out anything or any improvement that Volvo has brought, there's still some room to be done, especially on the workstations. We are getting a challenge in the workbenches because Volvo has only provided one workbench, where with the recruitment or the numbers that we are having, we are failing to manage properly because the workstations are very few. The diploma course is a welcome move because current trends in Zambia are that we are moving towards the hands-on experience. We have had too many of these qualifications by paper, but this is a bit different in the sense that it is more practical oriented, which is a good way to go. Well, ever since this project came in, I've had to undergo a lot of training. One of them is hydraulics, coupled with the electrical, because latest machines now are not focusing on the hydraulic part. Most of them have gone into electrical. So the training that I've undergone with respect to electrical has helped me teach the electrical equipment that is coming in. Truth be told, before the project came in, our teaching method was the conventional or traditional teaching. We never had any digital equipment to use with respect to teaching. Thanks to the digital equipment that has been donated by Volvo, and we are able to now teach using digital equipment. One of them that stands out very clearly is the hydraulic lab. The hydraulic lab has made us work in such a way that it incorporates the electrical part as well as the mechanical part. Although previously we used to have such equipment from Festo, but Volvo has gone a step ahead. So for me, the hydraulic part from the donations really stands out. Well, honestly, before the project came, our dealership was such that we used to have a lot of engines from different sectors. But with the coming on with Volvo, we are specific in the sense that most of them are Volvo engines, and the dealership with Volvo is in the relation with the engines that they do. And the good thing about these machines is that these are the current which are coming in world over. So yes, to a large extent, I've benefited on the types of engines that Volvo has introduced to Nortec. Yes, Volvo has supplied what they are calling PT transmissions, which are power shift transmissions. These power shift transmissions are special in the sense that they incorporate a lot of technology that is coming in, because what Volvo surprisingly has done is that each engine that comes with a specific type of transmission, sort of an upgrade from the previous one. So they are special in the sense that every stage, Volvo is on the improvement side. So the transmissions that have been supplied by Volvo are high-tech, actually. Yes and no. Yes and no in the sense that technology keeps on advancing, like I said. What is latest today will not be latest tomorrow. But as compared to other institutions, yes, Nortec is on the advanced path. But as technology keeps on changing, it will be good for Volvo to keep on improving their state with us as well. It is a very good venture because electronic learning shortens the teacher-student relationship, in the sense that people are able to learn irrespective of distance. Therefore, e-learning is the good way to go, because you keep abreast with the latest technologies that are coming in. Well, expectations are always very high. But again, depending on the limitations that the supplier has, for us that are on the expecting side, we expect a lot more. But suffice to say that Rome was not built in one day. My expectation would be that this relationship that we have forged with Volvo should be an ongoing thing, because every time we shall be lagging behind, because technology keeps on changing. So our relationship should be maintained. Yes, challenges in the sense that every new experience brings its own challenges, because it takes you away from the normal way of doing things to the new. So the challenges that could have been there is adaptation, because when people are used to one kind of arrangement, then suddenly there's a shift. Those are challenges. However, those are teething problems. It is very quick to adapt.